Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you 7 ways to diffuse light. So in today's video you will see ways to diffuse light with stuff that you most probably have at home or stuff that is much cheaper than professional light diffuser. If you are new here and you are interested in video improvement, lighting tips and videography on a budget, then you would make my day by hitting that subscribe button with the bell down below. Thank you. Okay, so before we start with the diffusement options tips, I would like to tell you a few important things. Number 1, the distance from the light and the diffuser matters on the amount of the diffusement. That means that the further I put the diffuser from the light will be more diffused. Number 2 is that I recommend using a softbox because a softbox takes much less space and it also has a distance from the light. Let's get into the video. Right now you can see how harsh the light is because I'm not using any kind of light diffusement. It doesn't look professional or interesting. So now let's move on and I will show you the ways to diffuse that light. So method number 1 is quite simple and easy but not perfect for all of you. The method is to turn the light a little bit to the side of your object so that it isn't so harsh. It isn't diffusing the light, but it works as it was diffusing the light. It's not perfect, but you can use it in situations where you don't have time to make any sort of light diffuser. Method number 2 is putting a window curtain onto your softbox or light source. So I have a curtain here. It's small, but it's perfect size for my softbox. So I'll just put it on the softbox. Okay, so right now the curtain is on the softbox and we can compare it. Method number 3 is using normal paper. So I've just made something like that. I connected a few pieces of paper and I'll just put it on the softbox. Disclaimer. You need to choose the paper that is a little bit thinner because if it is too thick, the level of diffusement is very high, which means that the light is almost not visible and it covers the light. Method number 4 is using tissues or tissue paper, which is much thinner than normal paper. So I'll just put it onto the softbox. So this is how the tissue diffusement looks like. Method number 5 is using baking paper diffuser. So this is how the baking paper diffuser looks like. I have a brown baking paper, so it looks sort of yellowish on my face. If you will use white baking paper, it should look like normal diffusement. So now I'll tell you a few more options which I won't be showing on the video because I don't have them at home, but you can use them and most probably you'll have them in your house. Number 6. Using a shower curtain. A shower curtain will most probably work the same as a window curtain. If you have a shower curtain, feel free to use it on your light source because it works pretty awesome. And number 7 is using a bed sheet or a pillowcase. Yes, it also works quite good, but make sure to choose a white pillowcase or a white bed sheet. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to leave a like. as this will make the video rank up higher, which means that more people will be able to see the video. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in lighting tips, video improvement and videography on a budget, well then please hit that subscribe button with the bell. Thank you once again for watching, and see you in the next video.